Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Kung anong oras nyo man to pinapanood, my name is John Ryan Sabater,
At ako naman si Mado Corais.
and we're the logistics team of Group 3. The saying health is wealth means that health is the biggest wealth anybody can have. Anything can be achieved if you have good health. It is not enough to have money alone. We can make good use of wealth only if you have good health. So what's the purpose of this video? The purpose of this video is to explain, elaborate, and indicate kung bakit namin pinili itong set of food para sa inyo. Ano nga ba ang mga obstacles na napagdaanan namin in choosing these foods? Siyempre, we need to make sure every food must serve their purpose. A set of food na fills our nutritional gaps and needs. Coming at first, one of the most important element in the living is also the main source of energy, carbohydrates. Ang mga researchers namin ay nakapamili ng dalawang uri ng pagkain na rich in carbohydrates. Banana mostly is 105 calories on a medium size, and as we see, may 27 grams of carbs. Ang banana is a good source of vitamin B6, fiber, potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, and manganese. Next is apple. According to our FitnessPal, a medium-sized apple contains 104 calories, 27.6 grams of carbohydrates, 0.3 grams of fat, and 0.5 grams of protein. Apples contain vitamin A, B1, B2, B6, and C. Ang dami namang vitamins! Talaga namang an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Number 2 sa carbohydrates list natin is the whole grain foods. Whole grain foods are good choices for a nutritious diet. Whole grains provide fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Whole grain foods help control of cholesterol levels, weight, and blood pressure. These foods also help lower the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and other conditions. Whole grain foods, hindi lang yan healthy sa katawan natin. Talagang healthy rin sa bulsa natin, di ba? So why is protein important? Ba't nga ba mahalaga yung protein sa katawan natin? Because every cell in the human body contains protein. The basic structure of protein is a chain of amino acids. You need protein in your diet to help your body repair cells and make new ones. Protein is also important for growth and development in children, teens, and pregnant women. For me talaga, I see protein as a major component in growing in terms of bones and muscles and everything. May tatlong components na bumubuo ng bigat natin ngayon, which is the bone mass, the fat, and the muscle mass. In terms of protein, may dalawa tayong pagkain na pili, which is white meat. White meat is generally high in vitamin B, but particularly B3 and B12 for brain function and blood health. As the most common white meat type, chicken breast, and secondly, thighs are considered the lowest fat land animal to eat. Vitamin D is found in chicken, which helps us with calcium absorption. Seafood is low in saturated fats, high in protein, and packed full of important nutrients including omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and B vitamins. These nutrients are essential in maintaining your health, particularly your brain, eyes, and immune system. As a teenager we're trying to build some athletic body, muscles, and syempre ang pinakamahirap dyan is yung dietary reference intake of protein. And according to healthline.com is 0.36 grams of protein per pound of our body yung dapat i-intake natin every day.
Lipids. We chose nuts and fish for the category lipids since nuts are a good source of protein. Most nuts also contain at least some of these healthy substances called unsaturated fats. It's not entirely clear why, but it's thought that the good fats in nuts, both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, lower bad cholesterol levels. Although, is it okay to eat nuts every day? Eating nuts every day as a part of a balanced diet can be great for your health. Although, don't eat too much nuts since nuts are such high in calories. And as for fish, fish is filled with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins such as D and B or riboflavin, Fish is in calcium and phosphorus, and a great source of minerals, such as iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium, and potassium. According to the American Heart Association, they recommend eating fish at least 2 times per week as a healthy part of diet. Also, fish also have a balanced quantity of all essential amino acids, giving them very high amino acid scores. Fish can also assist in controlling diseases like malaria, yellow fever, and other gel-filled diseases that spread through mosquitoes. As for nucleic acids, we chose mushrooms and legumes. Mushrooms contain macronutrients that supports healthy immune system. According to the Ookla Health, your immune systems will benefit from mushrooms whose nutrients include selenium, which helps your body make antioxidant enzymes to prevent cell damage. Choose cremini or portabella mushrooms for most benefit. Is it okay to eat mushrooms on a daily basis? You can. Mushrooms are incredibly healthy and contain many of the nutrients our body need to function well. So like most things, mushrooms can be eaten often as part of a balanced diet. And finally, our last one, legumes. Legumes are packed with nutrients. They are low in calories, but their fiber and protein make you feel full. The body uses the carbohydrates in legumes slowly, providing steady energy for the body, brain, and the nervous system. Eating more legumes as a part of a healthy diet can help lower blood sugar and blood pressure. Is legumes a superfood? We can describe them as a superfood due to their composition. They are one of the most affordable sources of plant-based protein and amino acids and contain large amount of fiber, iron, potassium, and antioxidants and folate.